On results day, you may find yourself having to call some universities or colleges if you're looking for confirmation of your place or you're looking for a course through clearing. In this video, we'll guide you on how to make that call. Step 1. Stay calm. Before you call, take a deep breath. If things didn't go exactly as planned, everyone is keen to help. Universities are used to handling these calls and will work with you. Take a look at the university or college's page on ucas.com/clearing to find their contact number. Step 2. Have your details ready. Have your UCAS ID, clearing number if applying through clearing, and details of the course. Make sure you know your results as well. Step 3. Be clear and concise. When you call, introduce yourself and explain why you're calling. Whether you're confirming an offer or asking about clearing, be polite and ask for clarity on any next steps. Step 4. Stay flexible. If you're inquiring about a decision or a clearing vacancy, they may offer alternatives, like another course. Stay open-minded and consider your options. Remember, you don't have to make a final decision there and then, so if you need more time, let them know you're going to think about it and talk it over with your family and friends. For more support, head to ucas.com/clearing.